build guides you today.
Exactly. What we have right here is another PC inside the HiY60, a case that we're absolutely loving right now, featuring the Ryzen 5 7600X. This says Ryzen 7 on here, and a 4070 Ti.
So what's crazy about this build is honestly just the price for what you're getting. So like Matt said, Ryzen 5 7600X 6-core 12-thread Zotac Trinity RTX 4070 Ti. We have an Asus Prime X670P, and that is DDR5 because why go new and go DDR4? There's no point. We got the crucial P3 Plus 1TB Gen 4 G-Skill Trident Z 6000 MHz 32 gigs, a Thermaltake Tough Power GX1 80 Plus Gold, and then we got some link-up silver sleeved cables with some V-True fans to kind of save some money, but $2350, which is just insanely cheap for a build that's going to complete with the 3090 Ti and something like a 13600K.
So yeah, if you want to buy this PC, go over to PCBros.tech, and if you want to save some money, use code TOASTYBROS2 on checkout, save 2% on your next purchase.